You know that sound? Soyez le bienvenu. Mabuhay po tayo dyan. Welcome back with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Are you ready to learn? Okay, let's continue. These are very important. Okay, les adjectifs qualificatifs, singulier et pluriel. Okay, singular or pluriel. Okay, we have more with the terminaison. Terminaison po natin yan because we just add S for plural and sometimes it changes, okay, with the spelling. Others, it's just the same, okay? Are you ready to learn? Okay, let's go with the terminaison po. We have another terminaison. Madami po yan. We have a lot, okay? With the batas. Ano yung mga batas? What are the rules that we need to follow? Okay, termination is ending. Pag nagtatapos, it ends with EUR. EUR, okay? What is that? And for femina, it will become UUSE. Yung EUSE, okay? Example. Le nom vendeur. Vendeur, okay? Vendeur, seller, okay? Pag feminine, pambabae, si vendeuse. Vendeuse, okay? Pag plurial, we just add S. Magiging vendeur with S, but we don't pronounce the S as always. And femina plurial, vendeuse. We don't pronounce the S encore at the end. Get it? Seller. Okay, next we have UR. UUR. It will become TRECE po femina. Ano yun? Yung nagtatapos po, it ends with UR. Okay, example. Un acteur. Actor. But, for femina, it's not an actor, but une actrice. Une actrice. It's just the same in English. We have an actors, and actresses, actress. So, it's just the same. Almost the same. Okay? Acteur, actrice. Okay? For plural, we need to add only S, but we don't pronounce the S. Acteur et actrice with S. Get it? Now, we have another example. Formateur. Trainer, formateur. Well, for the female, it will become formatrice. Formatrice. And plural, we just add S with formateur. With S, we don't pronounce the S. And for femina, formatrice, but S, okay? So, formateur, formatrice. We have another. Éducateur, éducatrice. Directeur, directrice. Okay? TRCO ang dulo niya. Okay? Get it? Then we have EN, EON, E-E, dusen, E. Yung I-E-N-N-E. Example. Informaticien. Sien. Yung C hindi siya informaticien. Computer scientist. Yung computer yan, no? Sa computer science. Scientist. Sa kanila, computer scientist. Sa atin, yung ating mga sa computer. Okay? Mga programmer. Ganun. Informaticien. Babae, femina is informaticienne. Informaticienne. Okay, we need to add N-N-E or dusen E. Okay, next. For plural, we have just add to S with informaticien, but we don't pronounce the S. But it's written E for femina is pluriel femina is informaticienne avec an S. Okay? We have another. Pharmacien. Yung pharmacy, yung mga pharmacist. Pharmacien or pharmacist. Pag babae, femina is pharmacienne. Okay? Pluriel pharmacien avec an S. et pharmacienne avec un S because there are many. And the last we have italien, italienne, en féminin pambabae, italienne, féminin. Okay? Féminin, italienne. For pluriel, we just add with italien avec un S, but we don't pronounce the S. On prononce pas le S. Et italienne avec un S, but we don't pronounce the S. On prononce pas le S. Okay? Get pas? Vendeur, vendeuse. Vendeur avec un S, vendeuse avec un S. Acteur, actrice, and then you just add S. Formateur, formatrice, just add S. Informaticien, informaticienne, just add S. Pharmacien, pharmacienne, just add S. Italien, italienne, just add. Okay? Canadien, canadienne, aussi, just add S. Get them all? Okay, merci pour. Now we are going to use some with examples, okay? We have Rus, yung red hair, pula ang buhok nila, okay? Red hair sila. Ils sont les roux ou rouges. Le garçon est roux. Roux. Le garçon, masculin, as I said before, le garçon masculin est roux, has red hair, no? It's red hair. And then la fille est rousse. La fille est rousse. The girl is red hair. Okay? Ang buhok nila po kasi is red. Okay? It's natural. Okay? Next we have, that is singulier. Masculin, féminin. We're going to use them in plural. Ils sont roux. Ils sont roux. Okay? Or, if they're women, elles sont rousses. Elles sont rousses. Okay? Rousses. They are red-haired. Pula mga buhok nila. Okay? Some Europeans are like that. Okay? Some Europeans sont roux or rouges. Okay? Get them all? Roux et rouge. Merci. Next, we have another examples here. Boulanger, boulangère. Okay. So, examples. Baker. Baker na babae and baker na lalaki. Le boulanger fait du pain. The maker bakes the bread. Gumagawa tinapay ang panadero. Okay, panadero. Okay, so, le boulanger fait du pain. Very fair. Le boulanger, the baker, okay, makes fair yun, makes fait du pain. And then, la boulangère fait du pain. Donc, la boulangère, the female baker, makes bread, okay? La boulangère, okay? Le boulanger, masculin. La boulangère, féminin. Fait is the same because singulier et du pain, okay? Very fair. Fair is to do or to make. And then, we have pluriel. Après, nous avons le pluriel, okay? Les boulangers ou les boulangères travaillent. It's not travaillante, hein? It's the pronunciation po. Be careful with your pronunciation. It's not travaillante, mais travaille. Okay? Les boulangers travaillent. Travaillent. Okay? Mais le boulanger travaille. Et c'est que en E. Mais les boulangers travaillent, that is O-N-T, because they are pluriel. Ou les boulangères travaillent. The bakers work. Okay? Nagtatrabaho ang mga panadero. Okay? So, get it? Boulanger, boulangère. Masculin, féminin et pluriel. Le, la et les. And it changes with the singulier masculin. Pluriel, masculin, féminin et pluriel po. Okay? Get it? Masculine, feminine, at saka plural o pluriel. Okay, merci. Next we have boucher. boucher. Pag femina, boucher. Butcher. Yung they sell the meat. Okay? Le boucher vend la viande. Le boucher vend. On prononce pas le D, hein? La viande. Okay? The butcher sells meat. Nagbebenta ng karne ang butcher. Okay? Femina. La bouchère. La bouchère vend. On prononce pas le D. La viande. La viande. The female butcher sells meat. Okay? Nagbabenta ng karne ang babaeng butcher. Okay? Okay, get it? Le boucher vend la viande. La bouchère vend la viande. Vend is to sell. Vendre. Vendre yun. Vendre is to sell. Okay? And then, plurial. Les bouchers. But with S. Les is plural. Huh? Les bouchers travaillent. Okay? Or vendent. O-N-T. O travaillent. O-N-T ang dulo. Huh? Because troisième personne pluriel. Les bouchers travaillent. O-N-T. But we pronounce it travaillent. It's not travaillante. Okay? O vende, O-N-T, but it's not vendante, no? Hindi ganun yun, ha? It's not like that, na? It's not vendante o travaillante, no? Travaille, okay? The butcher's work. Nagtatrabaho ang mga butcher, okay? Okay, gets it? Okay. Boucher et bouchère. Okay, merci. And the last we have the fou et fous. Fou is fake. And fous also fake pour féminin. Example. C'est un sac fou. C'est un sac fou. Or c'est un fou sac. It's possible, okay? Okay, no. It's a fake bag. Picking bag ito, okay? C'est un, it is. It's un, c'est masculin. Yung UN po is masculin. Pag when yung UNE, c'est féminin. Regardez le féminin. C'est une histoire fausse. C'est une histoire fausse. Because on prononce pas le H. We don't pronounce the H in histoire, no? C'est une, fait en liaison. C'est une histoire fausse. It's a fake story. Peking kwentong ito, okay? C'est une, fait en liaison with c'est une, you need to connect. C'est une histoire fausse. Fausse. Pag WS, fausse. Pag single S lang yung Z, okay? Okay, c'est une histoire fausse. It's a fake story. So you will detect if it is masculin with c'est un sac fou, mais pour féminin, c'est une histoire fausse. Okay? Next. Ce sont des billets fous ou fausses. Okay? Ce sont des billets fous. Or billet, un billet c'est masculin. Mais fausse, ce sont des histoires fausses. Ce sont des histoires fausses. Okay? Ce sont des billets fous. These are fake tickets. These are, because there are many. These are fake tickets. Okay? Faking ticket ito. Okay, get it? So, fou et fous. Please don't forget them because they change. C'est fou. When you say c'est fou. Okay. Oh, ton histoire est fous. Fous, histoire, because histoire est féminin. Okay, get them all? I hope you know the rules, the reg, and how they are written because it changes. And how to pronounce it. That's very important. Okay? Fou et fous. Roux et rousse. Okay? Boulanger, boulangère. Boucher, bouchère. Okay? Get them all? I hope it's clear. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Merci beaucoup. Et à bientôt tout le monde. Ciao, ciao.